Do you want to enable the dark mode or dark theme on YouTube on your PC or your laptop? Then you came to the right place. Dark mode not only gives your eyes a break from bright screens but also adds a sleek and stylish look to your YouTube experience. Whether you're bored of the light theme and this white background or just prefer the darker aesthetic, this tutorial will show you how to toggle between the light and dark modes effortlessly. And before we start with this video, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Now let's open any web browser of our choice and then go over to youtube.com. You first have to make sure that you are logged into your YouTube account. And once you log into YouTube, you want to click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen, and this menu will appear with a couple of different options. In order to change our light theme to a darker one, all we have to do is to select this appearance button, and we'll have 3 different options here. You can set this to the Use Device theme, and YouTube will change the theme automatically depending on your device. If your device has the dark mode enabled, YouTube will open in a dark mode also. But if you want to enable the dark mode permanently, just select this button and wait for the website to refresh. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.